Hello everyone. This is a video I did last Wednesday, I believe, yes. One of Kessock Industrial Estate and the graveyard and that. I find change. You've Tesco, you've Riddles, you've Kessock Service Station, you've Green Adams, the new fish place. I'm not sure what they do. I just get up. I just finished the at the end of last year. Right round to the harbour. And you've got the sports facility as well, and there. You don't have Brewdog now, they moved to England, they had no option, Bering and Peace. But they are now almost out of business as well. The man deep in debt. That's some size of graveyard, like. That's a golf course, the golf house and everything. That's a golf course, and we're right out on the sea again. Just taking my time here. It was a good length of video, really. I've done well for them. Coming down now, homeward down to Ferry Boy. There's his gravestones. It's come out not too bad, really. It's just something different for me. That's the golf course. The golf course, Floth Estate, and all that. Anderson ploughing up there. The new house is at the top of the hill. The bit of ground now across from the graveyard, a boy told me, it was the last Wednesday, they are now thinking on putting a holiday in there. Another good investment for Fraserburgh would be Halfords, I would think, and the same place across the Kessock Estate. That's a few pictures I've thrown in as well, and it looks good for a change. Just something I thought I would do, and I've done it. I was going to do it about a year ago, but it's done now, it's all over, and I thank you all very much for watching. Remember to like and things like that. Take care, catch you all later. Thank you.